Hello, my name is Gilles Kuhn, and I am pleased to introduce a new housekeeper opportunity with Morgan and Mallet International. Our client, based in Annecy, in the beautiful Haute-Savoie region of France, is currently looking for a caring, organized, and versatile housekeeper/nanny to join their household on a long-term basis. This position combines household responsibilities with after-school childcare support for two children aged 7 and 3.5 years old. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.